I truly understand how the relentless quest for a quiet mind and a peaceful night's sleep can feel utterly exhausting. But did you know that the very sound you're using to find calm might be inadvertently triggering your brain's hypervigilance? The wrong frequency can actually fragment your sleep architecture, leaving you feeling even more drained. Let's first examine white noise. It's often recommended, but what is it neurologically speaking? White noise is a broad-spectrum sound containing every frequency the human ear can hear, all at equal intensity. For a brain wired for hyper-awareness, like that often seen in ADHD, this can be perceived as a wall of auditory static, an unignorable sensory input that keeps the brain's threat detection system subtly engaged. Now let's contrast this with brown noise. It is a different entity entirely. Brown noise also contains a wide range of frequencies, but with a crucial difference. It emphasizes the lower, deeper frequencies and de-emphasizes the higher ones. Think of the sound of a gentle rolling thunder or a powerful waterfall. This creates a consistent, low-pitched auditory blanket that is far less jarring and easier for the brain to accept as a stable, non-threatening part of the environment. The neurological science behind this is fascinating. As research highlighted by institutions like the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine clarifies, the ADHD brain often struggles with dopamine regulation and sensory filtering. It has difficulty ignoring irrelevant stimuli. White noise, with its high-frequency components, can present too much variable information. Brown noise, however, provides a steady, predictable anchor for the auditory system, which can help downregulate the brain's constant scanning for new information, allowing it to finally transition into deeper, more restorative sleep stages. So how do we translate this science into a concrete, actionable plan for transformative sleep? This is the grand resolution. It begins with creating a precise auditory and nutritional protocol. First, the auditory protocol. You must find a source of true brown noise, not simply a muffled fan sound. It should sound like a deep, low rumble. Play it at a volume just loud enough to mask potential startling noises, like a door closing or traffic outside, but not so loud that it's a distraction itself. Let it play continuously through the entire night. The goal isn't just to fall asleep, but to prevent the hypervigilant brain from being pulled out of deep sleep by sudden environmental sounds. This continuous, stable auditory floor gives your brain permission to disengage its sentry duty for the entire night, allowing for complete sleep cycles. Second, the magnesium glycinate ritual. This specific form of magnesium is highly bioavailable and directly targets the nervous system. An hour before bed, take 300 milliliters of magnesium glycinate. Why? It acts as a crucial cofactor for the production of GABA, our primary inhibitory neurotransmitter. Think of GABA as the brain's brake pedal. For a mind that's always on, providing the raw material for this calming neurotransmitter is a powerful step in preparing the brain for rest. Our final step is to construct an impenetrable fortress of sleep hygiene built on the science of light and temperature. This is non-negotiable for deep restoration. The third protocol is the strict light curfew. 2 hours before your intended bedtime, your war on blue light begins. This is not a suggestion, it is a rule. All phones, tablets, and computer screens must be switched to their warmest night mode setting. Even better, for the final 60 minutes, there should be no screens at all. Why this rigidity? Blue spectrum light directly suppresses the pineal gland's ability to produce melatonin, the hormone that signals nighttime to every cell in your body. By creating a period of digital twilight, you are allowing your natural melatonin surge to occur on schedule, which is the master key to initiating sleep. Finally, the therapeutic temperature drop. Your body's core temperature needs to drop by about 1 degree Celsius to initiate and maintain sleep. An hour before bed, set your thermostat to between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius or 65 to 68 Fahrenheit. This external coolness prompts your body's internal thermostat to release heat, mimicking the natural temperature drop that signals the brain's sleep-wake cycle governed by the hypothalamus that it is time for profound cellular-level rest and repair. Following these steps provides your brain with clear, unambiguous signals, auditory, chemical and environmental, that it is safe to power down.